Python, serialize a dictionary into a simple HTML output. Using App Engine, yes, I know all about Django templates and other template engines. Let's say I have a dictionary or a simple object, I don't know its structure and I want to serialize it into HTML. So if I had what I want is that rendered in some form of readable HTML using lists or tables. Now I know I can do. But that won't dive into the child values and list each key value pair when the key value is a dictionary, i.e. the address dict. Is there a module for Python that is lightweight fast that will do this nicely? Or does anyone have any simple code they can paste that might do this? Solution. All the solutions here were useful. Print is no doubt the more stable means of printing the dictionary, though it falls short of returning anything near HTML. Though still printable. I ended up with this for now. It converts the dict into unordered lists, which is okay for now. Some CSS and perhaps a little tweaking should make it readable. I'm going to reward the answer to the person that wrote the above code. I made a couple of small changes as the unordered lists were not nesting. I hope all agree that many of the solutions offered proved useful, but the above code renders a true HTML representation of a dictionary, even if crude.
The example made by Python could easily be modified to generate simple nested HTML lists. Not terribly pretty, of course, but somewhere to start maybe. If all you want to do is visualize data, the print module really is good enough. You could just use the pre tag on the result from print and put that on your web page. The print version would look something like this. And the HTML output looks something like this. Which isn't that pretty, but it at least shows the data in a more structured way.
Well, no HTML, but similar to your for-print approach. Edit, or use. This will give you the same nice output with all indents, etc. Now you can iterate over lines and format it into HTML.
Here's my simple solution. It can handle any level of nested dictionary. HTML view of Python dict.
I needed something similar, but also wanted to pretty print lists and lists inside the dict. Here's what I came up. Then, if you're using web app on App Engine, you can just do the following. This is an example of the output.
Look at my implementation. Will output all items in HTML format using and tags. And is also optional to change the tags. And then, just use CSS to handle with the indentation.